Yo, Social Cam, I just had to share. It's 1:16 a.m. on Friday, November 22nd. Is that the right date? I had to share. I'm being fat. Um, my dear friend, Chef Judy, sent me a plate to go home. Let me see if I could. I don't know what I'm doing. Hold on. See that? No, you can't see that. Hold on. Look at that plate. Okay, right here. I think I showed it to you. I'm about to open it and see what's inside. Hold on. This is a real plate. This is a country plate. It's wrapped in like 1,000 layers of saran wrap to ensure. Hallelujah. Oh my God. Okay, y'all probably like, where did he go? I'm coming. I'm trying to get this saran wrap off. Oh my God. Yes. Is it Christmas yet? Oh my God, because this food. I'm such a fat kid. Okay, y'all ready? Look at this food. Oh, ain't God real? I'm about to eat probably 90% of that. Yes, God is real. He's real in my... Oh, ah.